Hey grillers, Brad here from BB Grill Shack. Today I'm going to teach you how to reverse sear a lamb chop using a smoker and a griddle. You can also do this in an oven and on top of your stove with a pan, and we're going to go for a nice medium cook with a strong but subtle flavor. Today we're using 3 frozen bought lamb chops from the butcher and some simple ingredients you probably have around the house. The first step is to pat your lamb chops dry and then baste them with a light layer of olive oil. The olive oil is going to add some nice flavor and also act as a good base for our seasonings to stick to. Next, we're going to mix all of our dry seasonings together into a rub. We're going to put that rub into a shaker jar or use our fingers to lightly sprinkle it over all the surfaces of the lamb chops. Make sure that you get the sides of the lamb chops as well. Preheat your smoker to 250 degrees. We're going to cook the lamb chops to 140 degree internal temperature. I'm going to use a Bluetooth temperature probe to keep an eye on the temperature, but an analog or probe thermometer will work for this as well. Once our lamb chops reach an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, they're gonna be a little bit gray on the outside. We wanna brown this up on a griddle or a hot pan on a stove so that we can add some really good color and flavor to the outside of the lamb. After searing your lamb chops, rest them in aluminum foil for 10 minutes to give the juices a chance to reabsorb into the meat. Now it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Unwrap the lamb chops and plate them up with a healthy side or two and a nice glass of wine. Today I'm serving my lamb chops with chimichurri, which is going to be a really great complementary flavor. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate the views and the support. If you'd like to learn more about BB Grill Shack or about my barbecue journey, come visit me at my website, www.bbgrillshack.com, or follow me on social media, @bbgrillshack. I really like putting these videos together for you guys, and I really appreciate the support watching them. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a like or subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. And also, let me know in the comments, what do you think about lamb chops? Do you like them, love them, hate them, or you've never tried them? Anyways, thanks again, and have a good one. From BB... action.
Hold on.